Hi, my name's Andy with Gulf Coast Property Management, and today I'd like to discuss our damage assurance guarantee. We understand that the property condition and how tenants leave the property is often a landlord's biggest fear. We've all watched reality TV shows where landlords return to their properties only to find the property has been trashed by tenants. Fortunately, this experience is very rare, but it's that potential risk that is often enough to put landlords off the prospect of renting their home. Instead, they leave their property empty or simply resort to selling the property, often at a loss, just because they're afraid of the potential damage and expenses. At Gulf Coast, we want to provide our customers with a peace of mind that if a tenant does cause damage at your property, that we'll stand with you and we'll actually cover damages created by the existing tenant up to the value of $5,000. Now, this plan only applies to tenants that we have placed, and you as a landlord will still be responsible for the normal wear and tear. Also, we'll claim on the tenant's security deposit before the $5,000 kicks in. The introduction of the damage guarantee has been a game changer, and we've seen a lot of landlords take advantage of our guaranteed plan just for this reason. This benefit, along with the 30-day rental and eviction guarantees, are only available on our guaranteed management plan and do not apply to our tenant placement and essential management plan. Don't let the fear of a tenant causing damage to your property be an obstacle. We have your back and we want you to succeed. If you have any questions, please call me. My name's Andy, 941 782 1559.